I've not really done anything today. I had graduation yesterday, which was so fun, but it just like mentally drained me. I've just been taking the day to like relax and not really do anything. Literally just watch TV and lay in my bed. So I felt the need to get up, and I really want to go to the Goodwill bins because it's one of my favorite places and I haven't been in so long. So that kind of motivated me to get up. I also need to run by Aldi, I think. I don't know. I might just end up not doing that, but I need to grab some refills, that's the word, of just like household things. But I kind of just want to go wander around Target. So we'll see where the day takes us. It is 3:20 and I'm finally leaving the house. I guess that's it. I got my Vols cup, go Vols, with the Alani water packets. They're so yummy. I'm drinking the Hawaiian punch, strawberry coconut, whatever it is. It's so rainy and I don't want to do anything, but I'm forcing myself. It's probably been about a week and a half since the last thing that I filmed, and I think it was Cleo and me going to sleep. But now I am finally getting to do this bins haul because I need to put stuff away and it's been sitting on my floor for about a week and a half. So let's get into it. I found a couple pieces for my boyfriend. They were really cute. Starting out, there's this American Eagle polo I thought was really cool. It's in like perfect condition, which is kind of crazy. This one is a really cute flannel. It's purple and yellow. And then where's the other one? Oh, there's another flannel. It's a green. Like, they're all such good material and they're really cute too. Okay, now on to my stuff, which I'm so excited for. First thing that I found is Early Winter's Performance Outfitters jacket. It's so cool. It's like a little fleece button up, if I can get it to sit right. Just a blue button up. But it's really cool. It's an extra large, so it's going to be huge on me, but that's how I like all of my clothes. Then we have this cute red sweater. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with it. I've been obsessed with the color red recently. It's from Carriage Court. I'm not really sure, but I'm really excited for that. Next is another sweater. It's a little button-up one. Super cute and chunky. From Cuddle Knit. I don't know what any of these brands are. I have also been trying to up my dress game, my like casual dress attire. So I found this dress. It's super cute. I like the detail at the bottom, but it's pretty basic. I can put a shirt under it, wear it like as it is, whatever. Thought it could be really cute. These I'm so excited for. The cutest corduroy pants, and they fit perfect. I've already tried them on because why not? And they're incredible. So that is a major steal. This, Kayla, I know you're gonna watch this. And I didn't show you this piece on FaceTime because I knew that you would make fun of me, but I thought it could be fun for like a party or something. Tell me this isn't cute. Like, come on. It's a little jacket, and I don't care. I think it's fun. I could totally pull out a costume with this. Just a basic green turtleneck. It's very soft. I'm obsessed with it. This very pretty orange shirt, and it is from Villager. I'm really excited to wear that one. This is the dress that you see all over American Eagle. There's like the black basic one, but again, another staple. I got this red tank top because you can never have too many tank tops to like layer and stuff. That's all for clothes. And then for bags, I got 2 bags. And the first one is this one. It's just a little green, like little shoulder bag. It's so cute. And obviously, I would not wear it with this outfit, but you guys get the vibes. It is from, it's from Target. So, and then this one, I'm very excited for. Just a leather brown bag. Like, what is this called? Like crocodile pattern? I don't know. But it is from the brand Relic. I don't know if you can see that. But I thought it was really cool. And I literally got all of this stuff for $17. I love the bins. I went on a Sunday and it was literally not crowded at all. There was so much stuff for like my size, and there was like maybe 3 people there. So I say that's a win. Okay, hope you enjoyed. Bye.